It is a foundational pillar of global cuisine, a humble root that shapes the flavor profile of thousands of dishes across the globe every single day. Yet, in its raw form, this culinary essential is highly perishable, heavy to transport, and prone to rapid spoilage. Within just a few weeks, to conquer these limitations, advanced industrial manufacturing transforms tons of fresh, raw onions into a shelf-stable, hyper-concentrated, premium powder. The journey begins here, in nutrient-rich soil, where millions of premium onions are carefully cultivated to achieve the perfect balance of sugar and pungent sulfur compounds. When ripeness peaks, high-capacity mechanical harvesters move through the fields, lifting the bulbs seamlessly, while shaking away loose topsoil and debris. Collected by the thousands, these raw crops are gathered into heavy-duty transport tippers, preparing for their immediate journey to the centralized processing facility. Speed is absolutely critical. Keeping the supply chain moving ensures that the raw onions retain their maximum flavor profile and structural integrity before processing. Arriving at the state-of-the-art facility, the cargo undergoes initial inspection before entering the high-volume automated processing lines. The massive payload is discharged onto receiving conveyors, marking the transition from agricultural raw material to precisely controlled industrial input.
Before any mechanical intervention, trained quality specialists perform an initial visual assessment to identify and remove any obviously defective or damaged bulbs.
This critical manual sorting phase ensures that large foreign objects, field rocks, and organic debris never advance further into the sensitive machinery. Next, advanced optical sorting technology utilizes high-speed infrared cameras to analyze the color, shape, and density of every single onion in milliseconds. The validated onions enter a massive, rotating washing drum, where multi-directional, high-pressure water jets strip away embedded mud, dirt, and loose outer skins. A secondary sanitizing rinse follows, eliminating surface bacteria and microbial contaminants to meet strict international food safety standards. The clean onions are mechanically oriented, allowing automated, ultra-sharp circular blades to slice away the tough root bases and top stems with surgical precision. Using high-velocity compressed air streams, the friction-based peeling system safely removes the non-edible outer skin without damaging the nutrient-dense inner flesh. Vibrating separation screens immediately draw the lightweight discarded skins upward into a vacuum system, leaving only pristine, naked onions on the main line. Nothing in this sustainable facility goes to waste. The discarded skins are diverted into a dedicated byproduct line for agricultural recycling. Here, the nutrient-rich skins are converted into high-grade organic compost, returning valuable minerals directly back to the agricultural fields. A final pre-processing inspection ensures that 100% of the outer skin and root material has been successfully removed from the batch.
The pristine onions enter a high-output centrifugal slicer, which cuts them into perfectly uniform ribbons to optimize the surface area for drying. The uniform slices are conveyed via a gentle water sluice system, preventing bruising while simultaneously washing away excess surface sugars.
Excess surface moisture is rapidly extracted in high-velocity centrifugal dewatering baskets, ensuring the slices are perfectly prepped for the dehydration process. An oscillating feeder distributes the dewatered slices evenly across a multi-tier conveyor, preventing clumping as they enter the massive dehydration tunnel. The slices enter a multi-zone continuous dehydrator, where precisely controlled thermodynamic air currents begin the delicate process of moisture extraction. By utilizing low temperatures over an extended period, the system gently extracts water without scorching the onion or destroying its volatile flavor oils. Midway through the tunnel, the slices cascade down to lower tiers, turning them completely over to guarantee uniform drying throughout the entire batch.
Hours later, the moisture content has plummeted from 85% down to less than 5%, leaving behind intensely fragrant, crispy dried flakes. The perfect brittle texture confirms that the dehydration phase is complete, preventing any residual moisture from causing spoilage or clumping later on.
The hot flakes pass directly into a fluid bed cooler,
where conditioned air rapidly reduces their temperature to stabilize the delicate aromatic compounds. Before grinding, the cooled flakes pass underneath ultra-powerful rare earth magnets designed to capture any microscopic metallic fragments. The safe, dry flakes are fed into a primary impact hammer mill, where high-speed mechanical collisions shatter the brittle material into coarse granules.
The coarse granules are pneumatically conveyed through a completely sealed, sterile vacuum system, eliminating any risk of contamination. Next, the material enters an air-classifying mill. This sophisticated system uses centrifugal force and air pressure to grind the granules into a microscopic powder. Inside the cyclone separator, the fine powder creates a dense vortex. Centrifugal physics isolate the perfect particle sizes from the airstream.
The powder is discharged onto high-frequency gyroscopic sieves, which sort the particles through ultrafine meshes to ensure an absolutely flawless, velvety consistency.
Any particle failing to pass the microsieve is automatically diverted backward into the mill for regrinding, maintaining a zero-waste, high-efficiency closed-loop turn.
The finished premium onion powder is pneumatically pumped into massive, hermetically sealed storage silos, where temperature and humidity are strictly controlled. To create a free-flowing, non-clumping product, a portion of the powder undergoes agglomeration, where microscopic particles are lightly bound into dissolvable granules. These granules are instantly dried a second time, locking in their structural form and ensuring the powder dissolves perfectly in industrial food applications.
To guarantee uniform flavor strength across the entire batch, the powder is blended in massive ribbon mixers, creating a perfectly homogeneous final product. From every single batch, dedicated quality assurance technicians extract precise samples, initiating a rigorous battery of chemical, physical, and sensory laboratory tests. Advanced gas chromatography analyzes the volatile flavor compounds, verifying that the characteristic pungency and aroma of the onion have been perfectly preserved. Automated halogen moisture analyzers test the powder. This confirms it sits securely below the critical threshold. This is required to prevent bacterial growth and clumping. Strict microbiological plating ensures the premium powder is completely free of pathogens, meeting the highest global food safety standards for consumer consumption.
A laser diffraction analyzer measures the exact micrometer size of the powder particles, ensuring the texture matches the rigid specifications of premium clients.
Color spectrophotometry verifies the visual profile, confirming that no scorching occurred during drying and that the natural, appealing cream-white hue is achieved.
Once fully certified by the laboratory, the premium powder is released from the silos and fed into high-speed, automated packaging lines.
High-speed packaging systems utilize advanced multi-layer moisture barrier films, forming rugged bags designed to completely isolate the sensitive powder from atmospheric humidity.
Computer-controlled vertical augers dispense the exact weight of powder into each bag with milligram precision, maximizing line efficiency while eliminating product giveaway. Before the final seal is applied, the bag is flushed with pure nitrogen gas, displacing oxygen to prevent oxidation and dramatically extend shelf life. High-efficiency ultrasonic sealing jaws clamp the foil edges, creating a hermetic, leak-proof weld that preserves the freshness of the product indefinitely. Every sealed package passes over an ultra-sensitive dynamic check weigher, which instantly rejects any bag that deviates even slightly from the target weight. To guarantee absolute consumer safety, the finished bags travel through an advanced X-ray inspection system to detect any microscopic physical contaminants.
A precision laser printer marks each package with detailed batch codes and tracking data, providing complete farm-to-fork traceability for global logistics networks.
High-speed robotic pick-and-place arms group the finished bags, transferring them seamlessly into heavy-duty corrugated shipping cases for enhanced transport protection. The filled shipping cases pass through an automated box closer, which folds the flaps and seals them securely with industrial strength adhesive tape. A heavy-duty palletizing robot stacks the sealed boxes onto standard pallets, utilizing pre-programmed geometric patterns to maximize stability during long-distance transit. The loaded pallet is transferred to an orbital stretch wrapper, which tightly binds the entire load in multiple layers of durable, weatherproof protective film. With a quick scan of the master pallet label, the inventory system updates in real time, logging the batch into the automated warehouse management database. Electric forklifts transport the completed pallets away from the production floor, moving them efficiently into deep-lane, high-density storage racking systems.
Here, in this climate-controlled high-bay warehouse, the premium onion powder awaits final dispatch, perfectly preserved and shielded from temperature fluctuations.
When shipping orders arrive, pallets are rapidly retrieved and loaded directly into international shipping containers, ready to supply global food manufacturers. From vast agricultural fields through sophisticated engineering, the humble root has been perfected, ready to deliver consistent, intense flavor to millions of consumers worldwide. Into a premium, world-class culinary asset with absolute precision and efficiency. This is the triumph of modern industrial manufacturing into a premium, world-class culinary asset with absolute precision and efficiency. If you enjoyed this look inside modern manufacturing, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment below letting us know what factory process you want to see next.